Facebook is one of the world's most popular communication platforms. If you are worried about the too much personal data publicly published or don't like the idea of Facebook tracking you, you may want to leave the Facebooks. If you want to follow this step-by-step guide to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Facebook accounts and get an anti-tracking apps to help prevent Facebook and other apps that can track you from following you around online. So on today's video I'll show you how to delete or deactivate your Facebook account. So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Content Creator Pro and I am Azhar with you to show some tips and tricks to simplify your current technology related problem. So let's start the tips. Before we begin, remember that deleting Facebook means removing your profile forever, while deactive Facebook means pausing your account activity temporarily. For deactive or deleting your accounts, you need to just open your Facebook apps, then click on your profile picture, or you will find the three lines on the right top corner of the menu bar. Then scroll down and navigate the settings and privacy. Next, you have to tap on settings. On the account center option, select personal details, then tap on the personal details. Here you will find all the details of that account holder that you want to delete or deactivate. From here you must tap on the account ownership and control. Next you have to tap on deactive or deletion option. In this option you will finally ask to choose your account, so tap on the selected profile that you want to delete. Here you will ask what do you want to do. Wanna you deactivate your account or wanna delete it? Here I choose delete account, then taps to continue. If you have any pages associated with the chosen account, those will show here. You must remember that deleting your account will also delete your additional Facebook profile as well as page where you are admin. Scroll down and tap on continue. Here your Facebook authority you want to know the reason why you are deleting your account. You can choose any option from here. I select the privacy concern and tap on continue. Again tap on continue button. Before deleting your account permanently, here are some advice to you. Scroll down and tap on continue. For security reason, finally you have to put your password here. So I put my password and tap on continue button. Then you will ask the confirmation of your account deletion. Yes, I want to delete my account, so tap on the delete account. Yeah, my account is deleted. So that's all for today. Please do like, comments and share this video and subscribe the channel if you get any benefits from this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks again.